which is not a terribly complicated solution, but I'm not even going to try to do it algebraically. I already set things up in Excel. The green ones are our inputs. Current EFFR is, I'm entering everything in basis points 458. Current futures price is where are you? 95.33.5. Lower bound 25. I'm doing with increments of 25. Then upper bound is 50. Meeting date is 3/22. Okay. Now, if you didn't get any warning signs, that means it's going to be at least 25. It could be 50. If I had entered lower bound as 0, it says upper bound is too low, increase it. That means given these prices, market is attaching 100% probability that it's going to be at least 25. So I need to increase it. For example, if I enter lower bound as 50, that means there is 0 chance that it's going to be 75 as far as market is concerned. So you change this lower bound number until you get rid of that warning, all right? If you guys want to go ahead and, look into these things, I don't know what these are. I don't think these are relevant for anything. F11. Yeah, these are not relevant for anything. I must have done something in a different version. What we're going to do, we're going to figure out what that probability is. Basically, this says, what would be the market average? What would be the average EFFR if the lower bound happened? It would be 465.26. What would it be if it is the upper bound? That's the one implied by the market. So I'm calculating the expected given the probability. So I'm going to make the difference between the market average and expected 0 by changing the only thing I don't know, the probability. Okay. So we now know what the market thinks. You can think of this as roughly, I mean, it's not an exact number. About 17% of the market is betting on a 50% increase, 50 basis points increase. 83% of the market is betting on a 25 basis points increase. So by March 22nd, Fed funds rates are going to go up by at least another 25. So the lower bound is going to be 475, or the EFFR is going to be 483. But there's a small chance, 1 in 6, that it could be 50, as far as the market is concerned. Now let's see what market thinks. The meeting after that is in May. It's May 3rd. Okay. Let's assume that Fed will increase the rates by 25 in the next meeting. So if that is the case, it's going to be 483. All right. The meeting date is May 3rd. Let's see where the May contract is trading. 94.92. Okay, market thinks that there's going to be another 25 at least in May. And since there is no warning, right at that 50, too much, 0, too little, you just figure out what's the minimum it's going to be, 25, and what are the chances that they could do a 50 in May as far as the market is concerned. Make that difference 0. Only 1 in 10. But what's important is market is pretty much banking on a combined 50 basis points move in March and May meetings. There's a small chance that they could do all 50 in March. If they do all 50 in March, it would be 508. Then yeah, there's 0% chance that it would be 50. Okay. Yeah, 94, 92 is 508 anyway. But more than likely, they're going to do 25, 25, unless they have reasons to act stronger. Fed likes to do things in a smoother way, but there will be a few board members or FOMC members. They will argue, let's do 50 and get it over with. I have a strong suspicion that they're not going to win the case. So basically, we're going to be up to 508 after May, right? Now, let's see where June is going to be. June meeting is 14th of June. June contract is trading at 94,815. Okay, it's going to be either 0 or 25 in June, assuming that there has been already 50 basis points. Okay, I couldn't find it. Couldn't find a solution. So let's kind of do it by hand. 10%. It's actually almost, let's see. Solution is somewhere over there. Okay, let's find out from there. Excel's algorithm do not necessarily always. Okay. So market says, at least as we look at it now, we see a pretty high chance of another 25 basis points in June as well. But it's not a sure bet. And that number has kind of changed. I mean, let's look at the June contract where it was trading about a month ago. Let's do 1 day. Today's 20th, right? On January 20, this contract trade closed at 95.105. Okay. So let's see what the market was thinking. Too high, decrease it. So, okay. About a month ago, market was thinking there's going to be one rate increase by the June meeting, okay? And there's a chance that there's going to be another in the June.